Hair Tweet Cat here, and I am just doing a quick update on what we purchased today for our lunch. We bought another share of Palantir and SoFi. It did go down a little bit more today, so we're down a total of 23 cents. But it was actually a great day to buy because the whole market was down this morning, and I don't ever just jump in first thing in the morning. I let the market happen and watch and see what's going to happen. And I'm going to show you exactly when we bought. So I bought SoFi today about 468. Might have been 466. I'll double check the trade. And then, oh yeah, right there. Is it 8? I can't really see it. Yeah, 468 is when we bought it here. And then with the Palantir, we bought it at 766. So again, it's just over $12 that we spent today. And the market actually kind of just gradually went up. So it ended up being like a neutral day, which is really great because if you were watching the VIX never went above 20. So it showed that there wasn't fear in the market. Things just kind of balanced back out. We had a bad jobs information this morning. Unemployment was the unemployment was right on par with their thinking, but it wasn't bad enough. And I know that sounds bad, but you want a little bit more unemployment for especially tech stocks, the stock market to go up. But anyways, so our balance is down 23 cents. We bought 2 more shares. Just a quick update today. And let's see if there's anything else on here. Oh, my friend sent me this Sand Planet. You got to watch it. I'll put a link down below. It had me cracking up. If you're a Star Wars fan, highly recommend it. This droid right here was killing me. It kind of looks like a little old 80s security video. But yeah, that's what he does. Just drives this dude crazy. But anyways, it was really funny. So maybe check that out. A little shout out to this guy, Joel Haver, Sand Planet. Really, really funny. And thanks to my friend for the recommendation. It had me laughing here at the end of the day. So anyways, hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, stays healthy, stays safe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.